friends, welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting haul to share with you, and it may be that I don't get out enough, or it may be that we just do not have an Ikea closer than 2 hours from where I live, that I get so excited when I get to go to an Ikea. We went to Memphis this past weekend to spend first of the year, the New Year's holidays with my husband's cousin, and they have an Ikea up there. I was so excited, and I want to share with you just a few things that I picked up. I didn't do anything great, any huge haul. A couple of things I had planned on getting, and I want to share those with you. First, I want to show you the Fantastic Napkins. They are huge. They're like Vanity Fair type napkins, the same quality. 100 comes in a pack. 100. That's a lot of napkins, folks. And I paid, I'm looking at the receipt here, for the Fantastic paper napkins, $2.49. I always make a planned purchase for these whenever I know I am going to an Ikea store. I bought 2 packs of them. Now, I was on a mission for some flour sack towels. You know, the white flour sack towels. And I was surprised to find out that they did not carry flour sack towels, or at least they did not have them when I went in. But what they did have were these bundles of tea towels. They had 4 in each bundle. They were, let me look at the price, $3.99 each. Now, I've already pulled the tags, the labels off, but I have the paper tag on the inside here. I got 1 checkered, and I have a blue and white decor in my kitchen, so this will go perfectly. I also love to use these as napkins because they are so amply sized, and they will get used as napkins. When they get too stained, they will get demoted to dish towels, and then when they get demoted from there, they will go into the rag bin for cleaning towels or cleaning rags. But they are 100% cotton and a very good quality. So here we have this one, plaid style, another style. Now this looks almost like a flour sack towel that one of my mother's dresses would have been made out of by my grandmother. And 2 different stripes. That is really nice. But it will look good as a napkin or as a tea towel. So there you have it. And that was $3.99 per package. You can't get a deal like that at Walmart or at the Dollar Tree. So I'm real excited about that. Now the next purchase that I made that I am also excited about is the Ursula Cotton Throw. It is 100% cotton cable knit throw, 71 inches by 47 inches. There is some shrinkage when you wash it, but you can just wash it like you wash most cotton throws. And here it is, nice cable knit. This is the underside. This is the front side. Cozy. This is going to feel so soft, especially after it's been washed a couple of times. But I use a lot of red in my decor. My master bedroom has a lot of red. My living room and dining room both have lots of red in them, and this is going to go perfect. I bought 2 of these. I paid $17.99 each for them. They were half price. Let's see, they were regularly, I want to say $35, something like that. Yes, they were regularly $35.99. So I got a good deal there. Now the last thing I'm going to show you are, they are storage bins that look like old garbage cans. They had several of these in a couple of different colors. I wanted white. I've purchased some smaller bins to put on my deck. My deck is like 2 stories high from the ground, and I like to keep some of my container gardens and potted plants on my deck, but I don't like to run up and down stairs to get my supplies, and I've needed something to put some potting soil in. So these are going to look perfect on my deck with that. Here is a lid, a lid of like a medium sized. And let me see if I can get the, and in comparison, the lid for the larger can. Of course, I could use them for trash cans if I were entertaining as well, or I could fill them up with ice and put drinks in them. There are several different things I can use these cans for, but I'm only going to pull out the smaller one to share with you. It was $14.99, not on sale. They do come wrapped in plastic, and in the bottom is the hardware to go for the lid and the handles on the sides of the container. And this size is perfect for keeping some garden tools in, like a hand trowel, maybe some pruning shears and some gardening gloves. And this larger one will be great for storing potting soil in, and I'm excited about that. So, and they coordinate with one that I have that is smaller, and it is already on my deck. I had purchased it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or someplace like that last summer. Needed something bigger, but that was the only one that I could find, so I went with it. So imagine my excitement when I saw these. The smaller one was $14.99. The larger one was $19.99. Still, I think a very good deal, because I probably paid closer to $19.99 to over $20 for the one I bought at TJ Maxx, and was glad to get it because I couldn't find them anywhere. Unless, of course, I mail ordered them. So, that's it for my haul. Let me see, I spent a total of $91.68 for those items, and I feel like I got very good deals on all of them, even the ones I paid full price for. So, if you ever go to an Ikea, hey, do a haul video and share it with me. I would love to see it. If you like this video, want to see more like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. There's a little red subscribe button right below the frame there. And if you want to be notified of my next video, be sure to hit the notifications bell. And YouTube will be sure to let you know that I've put up a new video. Thanks so much for stopping by.